And thank you for joining Paper Crafting with Tracey. Today I'm going to show you one of the new Stampin' Up! Kits that is now available as of June 1st. And these kits this particular one holds everything that you will need to do your projects. The kits that are available are only on a as available basis, so once they are gone, they are gone. But then new ones are going to be added, and as we get closer to the holidays, Christmas time, there hopefully is going to be some Christmas theme ones as well. So you can see the kit box is very similar to that of the paper pumpkin. Okay, just a nice blank box, and you can reuse these boxes because this one has no labeling on it to store things. I use them to store some of my embellishments and my paintbrushes and that sort of thing. So the kit that I'm going to show you today is a little smile card kit. So this is the instructions that come with it. So the kit contains enough to make 4 cards, 4 different cards, 2 of each, and it comes with the little envelopes and a little pouch to hold them all in, which I'll show you in more detail. Then the instructions here, and they do come in multiple languages. Okay, and it's a full color step-by-step. So it shows you 4 steps to completing each card of what you're going to need on them. And then on the back there shows you everything that is included, which I will show you in more detail. So what's included in this stamp is you do get a stamp block that goes with this. And with this particular kit is Coastal Cabana. And then the stamps that go with this one is a nautical theme. So I'll just close that a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. So we got starfish and sand dollars, some coral, and then hopefully you can see the sentiments there. So I used all the sentiments in the cards. There was some crumb cake twine in there as well, and some leftover. Okay, some tags here that you can use, and you can see it came with quite a few of them, so I still have a few left over. This is this little pouch that came with it that you can store. These are mini cards, so you can store them all in there, and it's got the nautical theme on it as well, or beachy theme. And then there's the envelopes. Just put these aside. These are all the envelopes that came with it. So 4 of that design and 4 of that one. It came with some glue dots here for adhering all your pieces. Then there was a couple different kinds of not embellishments, but dies. So there was some of this, it's a vellum material. So there was these ones plus some coral, which I had a few extra, which I'll use for another project down the road. There was some palm trees and some extra palm leaves. And then there was sand dollars and starfish. I only have one left. That was in glitter paper, some white glitter paper. So to show you what I made. Okay, so here's some of the ones that they had given you directions for, this one here. And these are just little mini cards, so just nice, quick. Here's another one. Okay, there's one of the palm trees and the sand dollar, and here's the other palm tree. Okay, so some other ones that I did using the same material, just change things up a little bit. I used the stamp on this one to create just the coral in the background with the sand dollar. This one I actually cut the palm tree down so that I could use it. I took the base off of it. But then I used the base on this one. I put the palm tree in the center and put the base, the ground on that one. And then again I used one of the stamps, the starfish stamp, to create the background for this. Now I still had the stamps left over, which you can continue to use, with some white cardstock, and I just used some Coastal Cabana because that's what I had. That's the only extra things that I used. And I also used crumb cake because I happen to have that as well. So I made my own background there with the starfish and the sunflowers. using the same twine, the same die cuts, the same stamps. Everything is the same. And then I used this one here. And all I did with the coral here is I just inked it up with the Coastal Cabana and let it dry a little bit and just change the color. That's the handy thing with the vellum, is you can change the color with it. So some quick and easy cards that you can make with this card kit. So I hope you enjoyed this little video with Paper Crafting with Tracey, showing you how one of these simple little card kits works. There are some kits that are also available that do not require any stamping whatsoever. So have a look at my website here, traceypayne.stampinup.net, to see what kits are currently available. Happy stamping!